throw away your gym membership. You don't need to go to a Stairmaster. Look at the real Stairmaster right here in nature. Look, you don't gotta worry about wiping down the machine. You don't gotta worry about the sweaty smell. You don't gotta worry if something happens worldwide that they close down the gym. You don't know how to work out. You don't gotta worry about that. Look what's next to you right here. Look, the beauties. No headphones, no music with demonic lyrics. You see, look, haven't you noticed people are becoming less mobile? People don't even need a pedal on a bicycle anymore. We have electric bicycles, electric scooters, you know, everything electric to keep you from exercising, to keep you from moving your body, to keep you from doing physical activity. People actually think they need a gym, look. But you see, this is empty right here. Nobody takes advantage. This is the real, look, the real Stairmaster. Look, want a Stairmaster right here, look. But people rather use an artificial Stairmaster. Ever seen the video of the hamster, how they put the hamster in the wheel? People rather be on that hamster Stairmaster, going up to nowhere, no destination. And you better make sure that you go on the right time, or it's now a crowded gym, or they not closing. But look, 24/7 open. 24/7, baby. This is my real gym right here, look. You see? Throw away your electric bikes, your electric scooters. Start using your legs, your feet. Take off your shoes. Go back to nature. You want to speak to somebody, call them. Meet up with them. Stop FaceTiming. You know? Bring it back, man. Go back to the real world, to nature. Don't you know that the gyms are a box? You're trapped in a square. Most of the gyms don't got windows. You know, you gotta be wiping off the sweat of dirty people. But look, real Stairmaster right here, look. Oh, to myself, baby. Look at this beauty, wow. If I want to hug a tree, I could hug a tree. I don't need to worry about changing the music station, because why? I'm listening to the birds, the earth frequency. So wake up, disconnect to reconnect. Throw away your gym membership. I'll be waiting for you in the real Stairmaster right here. The Stairmaster in nature. Escucharon, mi gente. Boten su membresía de gimnasio. Lo espero aquí. La escalera real.